Meet the fascinating and waddling creature of the icy realms, the penguin. Penguins are incredible birds that capture the imagination of both kids and adults with their unique characteristics. Here are some fun and interesting facts about these wild avians, particularly the emperor penguins. 1. Penguin basics. A penguin is a flightless bird adapted for life in the water. There are various species of penguins, each with its charm. But the emperor penguin stands out as the largest and one of the most captivating. 2. Cool emperor penguins. When it comes to interesting facts about emperor penguins, their size is awe-inspiring. These regal birds can reach up to 4 feet in height, making them the tallest of all penguin species. 3. Waddling wonders. Penguins have a distinctive way of moving on land, the endearing waddle. Their short legs and upright posture make them comical and endearing as they navigate the icy terrain. 4. Quick facts about penguins. Penguins are superb swimmers, reaching up to 15 miles per hour in the water. Their wings have evolved into flippers, perfect for cruising through the chilly ocean waters. 5. Fun facts for kids. Penguins are not only entertaining, but also educational for kids. Did you know that penguins are skilled communicators? They use sounds like brays, trumpets, and coos to express themselves and connect with their fellow penguins. 6. 100 facts about penguins. Penguins are full of surprises. For example, there are around 100 different facts about penguins. From their diverse species to their unique behaviors, studying these birds can be an adventure in itself. 7. Wild habitat. Penguins are primarily found in the southern hemisphere, inhabiting regions such as Antarctica, South America, Africa, Australia, and New Zealand. Despite the harsh conditions, they have adapted to thrive in these challenging environments. 8. Disturbing facts about penguins. While penguins are generally charming and beloved, it's important to note that their natural habitats are increasingly threatened by climate change and human activities. The delicate balance of their ecosystems is at risk, making conservation efforts crucial. 9. Funny penguin facts. Penguins have a sense of humor too. Their amusing antics, such as sliding on their bellies, known as tobogganing, add an element of joy to their daily lives. And 10. Cool emperor penguin facts. Emperor penguins endure extreme conditions during their breeding season. They withstand temperatures as low as 40 degrees Fahrenheit and gather in large colonies, showcasing their remarkable resilience. In conclusion, the world of penguins is filled with wonder and charm, providing endless opportunities for learning and appreciation. Whether you're exploring facts about penguins for kids or diving into the fascinating realm of emperor penguins, these remarkable birds will surely capture your heart and imagination.